February 9th, the next day, this is what the sauerkraut looks like. You can see it is starting to get some bubbles right there along the surface. The video on how I made this is in the description box below. Day 2, February 10th. You can see we have some more bubbles. February 11th, day 3. Has more bubbles. It's getting a little bit duller in color. February 13th, you can see it has even more bubbles. The color is getting more dull. You can see it is starting to rise. And it is now smelling like a ferment. February 17th. It has been 9 days. It is no longer bubbly and active, and each day when I burp it, I smell it, and each day it grows stronger in the fermented smell. So now I'm going to taste it and see if it is done. I removed the cabbage leaf, and it smells wonderful. It looks good. Let's go ahead and taste it. It is done. It has a nice crunch and a nice flavor. It is done. We're going to store this in the fridge. The lactic acid preserves this sauerkraut, but a way you can help to keep it safe to eat longer without mold is by anytime you get into this, always do so with a clean, dry spoon or fork or whatever it is you are dipping into it, because you do not want to introduce any bacteria into this. So that is why the utensil should be clean, and it should also be dry. You do not want to add any water to this either, because there's bacteria in water. So that is how you help to prevent this from molding. Keep it in the fridge, keep it clean. So thank you for watching.